Hello, we are the students of BMSCE and we are presenting DigiEye, Assistive Technology for the Blind. We have developed this project as a part of Texas Instruments India Analog Design Contest 2010. DigiEye is a modern, affordable version of the traditional methods of assistance for the blind, the cane and the guide dogs. It has been implemented to be reliable and low cost, taking advantage of today's technology. There are many navigational guides in the market today which utilize GPS services to assist the visually impaired. Our project, however, is much more accurate and practical compared to the available products. It provides information and warnings about the immediate surroundings instead of vague, map-derived directions which are These are the key parts of our project. The ultrasonic obstacle detector mounted on the cane, a microcontroller module, a wireless transmitter, receiver, an amplifier connected to the headphones. Let's take a closer look at the working of this project. The ultrasonic obstacle detector is mounted on the cane to act as a set of digital eyes for the user. The obstacle detector has a piezoelectric transducer which acts as a transmitter and a receiver. The transmitter and the obstacle detector transmits ultrasonic sound waves. In case there is an obstacle in the path, these sound waves are reflected back. The reflected ultrasonic sound waves are then received by the piezoelectric receiver in the obstacle detector. A comparator at the receiving end digitizes the receiver output and sends it to the microcontroller. The microcontroller MSP430 F2618 then activates the IR transmitter for communicating the presence of the obstacle in the path. Now, the wireless communication goes on something like this. The transmitter has a 555 timer which generates a square wave of 38 kHz. This is fed to the IR LED in bursts. At the receiver, the TSOP 1738 detects these bursts. The detected waves are then amplified by the TPA6047A IC and fed to the earphones. This is heard as a low buzzing noise by the user, warning him of the obstacle in his path. As you can see, the ultrasonic obstacle detector is mounted on the cane, and this is connected to the microcontroller module and the transmitter, which are put aside in a pouch for convenience. The receiver and the amplifier are put together in this module, and the headphones are connected to the amplifier board and worn by the user. Now, I shall demonstrate the working of this project. As you can see, there is no obstacle in front of my ultrasonic obstacle detector right now, and hence the ultrasonic waves transmitted by the transmitter are not reflected back by anything, and hence there is no warning signal sent to the user via the headphones. When an obstacle appears, the ultrasonic waves transmitted by the transmitter are reflected back by the surface of the obstacle and received by the piezoelectric receiver. This is then conveyed to the microcontroller module, which processes the signal and transmits a wave of 38 kHz to the receiver, and this receiver wave is heard by the user as a warning signal of like a low buzz. Visually, it can be seen as a blinking of the LED in this particular module.